Hi, I'm Autumn from Dillon's RV Center, and today I'm going to show you all around a 2020 Dynamax Force HD. This RV is 37 feet long. It is built on a Freightliner M2 chassis with 350 horsepower and 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. It has a 20,000 pound towing capacity, a Cummins turbo diesel engine, a blackout package which includes upgraded side mirrors, rock guard, American racing wheels, custom grille, and more. It has an 8 kilowatt own-in generator, an on-demand water pump, LP quick connect outside, an outside entertainment center, dual ducted 15,000 BTU air conditioners, and more. The side hinged aluminum storage doors are long lasting, and the seamless rotocast compartments have lighting and are easy to clean out. Here's another look at that outside entertainment system and the full body paint job. And here's the inside. We'll start with the cab. You can see you have your rear view and side view cameras, your tire pressure monitoring, collision avoidance, your CB radio. There's a bunk over the cab, and that TV is on a swivel power arm. Here you can see the bed set up, and if you watch with the touch of a button, the TV comes out to be part of the living area. And here you can see there's the bar, so children sleeping on the top bunk won't roll out in the night. So now more about the living area. We have an L-shaped sofa with solid hardwood cabinetry above, solid surface countertops with the countertop extension, more storage space. In the kitchen, we have a 2-basin stainless steel sink with pull-out faucet. All of the shades have day-night shades for privacy or keeping the sun out. More cabinetry, a 3-burner cooktop, convection microwave, stainless steel fridge, and next to the fridge we have our wire pull-out pantry. And here is your pantry. You can move the baskets to whichever levels you desire for maximum storage space. And here we have the booth dinette. Has great lighting above, and each bench pulls up for storage space below. This side even has 2 extra seat belts for more passengers on the road. Look at that setup. Separating the bathroom from the living space, notice this great barn door that was new for the 2020 Force. Now you'll see we have our split bath. Here's our sink and our mirrored medicine cabinet. Right next door to that is your washer and your dryer. And located just behind us is your toilet and your shower. So we have a porcelain toilet, a linen cabinet above, and a large corner shower with skylight. The bedroom is where dreams are made, with a king-size bed that's accessible from both sides, more storage above, a large picture window, and as you can see, I have the sunshade down to keep some of the brightness out, his and her wardrobes, tons of drawer space, and even this great TV with shelf below. Thank you for watching the tour of the 2020 Dynamax Force HD. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions, visit us online at dillonsrv.com and be sure to check out our great reviews or give us a call at 856-228-0090. We're always available every day at 2190 Delsea Drive in Sewell, New Jersey. Come check this out for yourself.